Hello everyone, I am Neha Varambe from GG Sarda Higher English School. Today we will learn about some expansion formula. Before this, let's recall some basic formula, that is, first one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one is a plus b, and in second bracket a minus b is equal to this first term square, that is a square, minus second term square, that is b square. Let's see some example based on this formula. First one is x plus 2y whole square. Now we know that this formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now put the values. Put a is equal to x and b is equal to 2y in this formula. Now a is equal to x means first term square, that is x square, plus 2 into first term. First term is x into second term, that is 2y plus second term square. Now this square of x is x square plus 2 into 2 4, x into y plus 2 square is 4 and square of y is y square. Now the second one is based on this example, a minus b y square is equal to 2x minus 3y whole square. Now we know that this a minus b whole square. Now put a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y in this formula. Now first term square 2x whole square minus 2 into first term. First term is 2x into second term, that is 3y plus 3y whole square. We know that square of 2 is 4, square of x square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, x into y xy plus 3 square is 9 and square of y is y square. The next is third example, that is 5m plus 3n and in second bracket 5m minus 3n. See, a plus b, a minus b means put a is equal to 3m, a is equal to 5m and b is equal to 3n. A square means this first term square, that is 5m square minus second term b square, that is 3n whole square. We know that square of 5 is 25, m square minus 3 square is 9 n square. Today we learned about expansion of x plus a and x plus b. See, expansion of x plus a into x plus b. These are binomial terms. X plus a and x plus b are the binomial terms with one common term, that is x. Now how to expand this? Write this first term as it is. This is x. First term into second bracket. First term into second bracket, that is x plus b. Then second term into second bracket, that is plus a into x plus b. Now this monomial term multiply monomial term into binomial term. This x into this and this into this. Now x into x plus x into b plus a into x plus a into b. Now this x into x square plus x into b, that is bx, plus a into x ax plus a into b ab. Now x square, see this x is common, so taken out a plus b and x is a common plus a into b. Let's see some example based on this formula. Suppose first example is 3x plus 4y and in second bracket 3x plus 5y. See, this 3x is a common term. Now multiply this first term into second bracket, that is 3x into 3x plus 5y, or and this into this bracket means plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. Now multiply this 3x into 3x plus 3x into 5y, 3x into 5y plus this term into this and this into this. That means 4y into 3x plus 4y into 5y. Now multiply this, 3 3s are 9, x into x square plus 3 5s are 15, x into y, xy plus 3 4s are 12, y into x, xy or yx plus 4 5s are 20, y into y, y square. Now see this 4xy and 12xy. Add that integer 9x square plus, because both the integers has plus sign, 12 plus 15, that is 27xy plus 20y square. Now see one more example. Second, p plus 8 and p minus 3. Now use this formula for this, that is x square means first term square, that means p square plus a plus b. A plus b means this is called as a and this is b. In bracket a plus b means 8 plus b is minus 3 into x. X means first term, that is p, plus a into b. A into b means 8 into minus 3. Now see this p square of p is p square plus 8 as it is plus into minus minus 3 into p plus 8 3s are 24. 8 into minus 3 minus 24. This implies p square plus as it is 8 minus 3 is 5p plus into minus minus 24. The second expansion of formula is a plus b whole cube. We can write this a plus b whole cube as a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. We know that this a plus b into a plus b, right? First bracket as it is. Now a plus b into a plus b, that means a plus b whole square. And we know this formula a plus b whole square. Now this is a plus b into a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply this first term into this second bracket and this second term into second bracket. Now a into a square, a into a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this plus b into second bracket, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply this monomial term into this trinomial term, a into a cube plus 2 into a square into b plus a into b square is a into b square plus b into a square b a square plus 2 into a into b square plus b into b square b cube. Now see this, collect the similar terms, that is a cube plus 2a square b means 2a square b, and this term a square plus b a square plus ab square 2ab square, ab square plus 2ab square plus b cube. That means now a cube as it is plus 2a square b a square b. This b a square can be written as a square b. Now 2 plus 1 3 a square b plus 2 plus 1 3 ab square plus b cube. Now we know that this expansion of a plus b whole cube is equal to a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now let's see some example based on this. N, suppose first n plus 5 whole cube. Now use this formula n plus 5 whole cube. Put the values. We know that because formula is a is equal to n and b is equal to 5. Now we know that a cube means first term cube, that is n cube plus 3 into first term square a square, that is n square into second term means b, that is 5 plus 3 into a square is n into b square is 5 square plus 5 cube. Now square of cube of n is n cube plus 3 5s are 15 n square plus 3 into n 3n into square of 5 is 25 plus cube of 5 is 125. Now this n cube plus 15n square plus 25 3s are 75 n plus 125. Now n plus 5 whole cube is equal to n cube plus 15n square plus 75n plus 125. Let's take one more example, that is x plus 1 upon x whole cube. Similarly, see, we know that this formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now put this a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 upon x in this formula. Now first term cube means x cube plus 3 into first term square into second term means 1 upon x as it is plus 3 into first term is x into second term square, that means 1 upon x whole square plus second term cube, that is 1 upon x whole cube. Now cube of x is x cube plus 3 into square of x is x square into 1 upon x plus 3x as it is 3 into x into 1 square is 1 and square of x is x square plus 1 cube is 1 x cube. Now if cancellation, see this x and x square term get cancelled, this x and this x is cancelled, so x cube as it is plus x means remaining term is 3x plus this x and this x is cancelled, therefore 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. The third formula is expansion of a minus b whole cube. Now write a minus b whole cube in separately, a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. Now this a minus b as it is into this a minus b into a minus b, that means a minus b whole square. Now a minus b into, we know this formula a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply this term into second bracket and this term into second bracket. Now a into a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. The next step is multiply this term into this. Now a into a cube minus 2 into a square b plus a into b square, ab square. This term into this and this. See, minus b into a square, ba square, minus into minus plus 2 into a into b square, minus into plus minus b into b cube. Now collect the similar terms, that means a cube. Write as it is 2a square b. 2a square b. A square b means this term with their sign, that means minus a square b plus ab square plus 2ab square minus b cube. Now a cube as it is, minus and this minus 2a square b minus a square b, that means minus 3a square b plus 1ab square plus 2ab square, 3ab square minus b cube. Now the expansion of a minus b whole cube is equal to a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Let's see some example based on this. Suppose first one is x minus 2 whole cube. X minus 2 whole cube. We know this formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now put a is equal to x and b is equal to 2 in this formula. That is first term cube. That means x cube minus 3 into a square b minus 3 into a square. A square means x square into b is 2 plus 3ab square. 3 into a means x into b square means 2 square minus b cube means 2 cube. Now cube of x is x cube minus 3 2s are 6, this x square plus 3x into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. Now x cube minus 6x square plus 3 4s are 12x minus 8. X minus 2 whole cube. The expansion of x minus 2 whole cube is x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. Let's take one more example, that is x upon 3 minus 3 upon x whole cube. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x whole cube. Now put this x a is equal to, put a is equal to x upon 3 and b is equal to 3 upon x in this formula, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now this first term cube, that is x upon 3 whole cube minus 3 into first term square, that is x upon 3 whole square into second term. Second term is 3 upon x plus 3 into first term as it is x upon 3 into second term square, that is 3 upon x whole square minus b cube. B cube means second term, this 3 upon x whole cube. Now this cube of x is x cube upon 3 cube 27 minus this 3 into square of x is x square and this 9 into 3 upon x plus this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. So x into 3 square is 9 upon x square minus 3 cube is 27 upon x cube. Now x cube minus 27 See, 3 3s are 9 x square upon 9x plus this x and x term get cancelled. Remaining are x upon 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. See this 9x and 9x get cancelled. Therefore, x cube upon 27 minus this 9x and first this 9 means only x is remaining minus x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. The expansion of x upon 3 minus 3 upon x whole cube is equal to x cube minus 20 x cube upon 27 minus x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. The next is expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. That means a plus b plus c whole square can be written as a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. Now multiply this first term into this second bracket, second term into this second bracket and third term into this second bracket. That means a into a plus b plus c plus b into this second term into second bracket a plus b plus c plus third term c into a plus b plus c. Now multiply this a into a square plus a into b ab plus a into c ac plus this b into a can be written as ab, b into b plus b square, b into c bc plus c into a can be written as ac, c into b bc plus c into c c square. Now collect the similar terms, that is a square, no a square term plus ab, this ab and ab plus ab. Now AC, BC, AB, BC, this BC and this BC, BC plus BC. Next term is this AC and AC. Now write AC plus AC and the next is B square plus C square. Now write A square plus B square plus C square plus AB plus AB 2AB plus BC plus BC 2BC plus this AC plus AC, that is 2AC. Now the expansion of A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus 2 into BC plus 2 into AC. That means first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into second term. Now let's see some example based on this, that is 2p plus q plus 3r whole square is equal to, now first term use this formula a square plus b square plus c square, means first term square, that is 2p square plus second term is q square plus third term c square, that is 3r square plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into first term, that is 2p into second term plus 2 into second term into third term, that is q into 3 into r plus 2 into first term into second term, that is 2 plus 2 into this first term into third term, that is 3r. Now 2p square, 2 square is 4, square of p is p square plus square of q is q square plus 3 square is 9, r square plus 2 2s are 4, p into q, pq plus 2 into 3, that is 6, 2 3s are 6, q into r plus 2 2s are 4 into 4p into 3r. That means 4p square plus q square plus 9r square plus 4pq plus 6qr plus 4 3s are 12pr. Therefore, the expansion of 2p plus q plus 3r whole square is equal to 4p square plus q square plus 9r square plus 4pq plus 6qr plus 12pr. Let's take one more example, that is 7m minus n plus 5 whole square. Now use this formula, first term square, that is 7m square plus b square is n square plus c square is first term square means 7m square plus second term is minus n square plus third term is 5 square plus 2 into first term into second term. 2 into first term is 7n into second term is minus n plus 2 into second term into third term. Second term is minus n into third term, that is 5 plus 2 into first term 7n into third term is 5. Now 7 square is 49, m square plus minus n square is n square plus 5 square is 25 plus 7 2s are 14 m into minus n plus 5 2s are 10 into minus n plus 7 2s are 14m into 5. Now this 49m square plus n square plus 25. Now this plus into minus is minus 14m into n minus 14mn. Now plus into minus 10n plus 14 5s are 70m. See, the expansion of 7m minus n plus 5 whole square is equal to 49m square plus n square plus 25 minus 14mm minus 10n plus 70m. Let's revise all the expansion formula. That is, first one is x plus a and in second bracket x plus b. These are binomial terms with same term. That is, first term, that is x square plus in bracket a plus b into first term, that is x plus a into b. That means ab. Second formula is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Third one is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And the last is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to this a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus first term into second term plus 2 into bc second term into third term plus 2 into ac, that is first term into second term. I hope this video is useful for solving examples based on expansion formula. Thank you.